Hi everyone, in this video I want to give you an update what we will be doing this month, both on Patreon and on 1mafx.com. Last month we started this post-process effect, so you can see on the edges we've got a slight distortion, some discoloring and a bunch of other stuff that we went through, and this month we will be continuing. So I just want to show you work in progress. I've got the shield effect. And so we're going to be creating this. I haven't figured out yet how we're going to fade this in and out of the scene, but it's coming. And the second post-process effect we'll be working on, it's the death or taking damage. So I like this effect to be very subtle. I don't want this to be very disruptive. So I've got a couple drops as a texture, and also we've got a vignette style on the edges as well. This one is not finished. I'm still working on this one, but I want to give you an update and working progress as well. Okay, so that's for tier 1. And on tier 2 I've got those crystals for you, so you can create some VFX for it. The top base, it's detachable, so I'd imagine you can take this into Houdini, create like a cat around here, and the top bit can be as a destructible. Okay, we're gonna create the materials together for it. We're gonna create this nice coloring, some Fresnel there as well, and that will be for tier 2. And I also have got this sci-fi diorama. This will be a quite a big course, somewhere between beginner and intermediate. This month I'm gonna release the content, which is the project files without any effects. There'll be intro, how to set up this project once you download it, and also maybe we're gonna cover a thruster effect for this drone. And in the coming months we'll be releasing videos on monthly basis, and we're gonna try to create as many effects as possible for this diorama. There'll be mixture of, as you can see, dynamic effects like these ones, or this destruction scene we've got here. But also we're going to cover environmental effects like the steam coming from the pipes, animated flags, and some steam from various places as well. I've got the loot drop effect here as well. I think it looks very cool, very techy. I think the plants releasing the spores on random timing as well, those ones. And so it'll be a bunch of stuff that we can create for this scene, and hopefully you're gonna enjoy this content. All right, so just to sum it up, I'm just gonna release this diorama project files this month for tier 2 on 1mafx.com, and we're gonna be covering effects on monthly basis. All right, I hope you're gonna enjoy this one, and thank you so much for your support.